In this course, we have one very simple goal: to empower you to teach the children in your life the all-powerful skill of learning, or as some may call it, meta-learning.
This course is not intended to be the kids' version of our popular SuperLearners series. Young children do not have enough learning experience to learn speed reading and memory palace techniques as is. Therefore, we focus on complementary materials, creativity, active learning, and hands-on skills. If you have taken the SuperLearner series, this course will provide you with new tools that will improve your personal proficiency and your mentoring abilities.
This course definitely will offer a powerful and comprehensive set of skills and tools for both parents and educators, which will help you develop your child's creativity, communication skills, memory, and of course, curiosity. You'll gain a number of activities, exercises, and ideas that will make learning fun for your kids and ultimately set them up for a life full of learning and super learning when they reach young adulthood and beyond.
We have very deliberately designed this course to suit anyone and everyone, whether or not they have taken our previous courses on super learning, memory, or speed reading. In a sense, you can think about the Raising SuperLearners as a prequel to the Become SuperLearners series. This course is unique in that it will help you install foundational learning skills and curiosity in children and set them up for future success.
If you are interested in learning memory techniques and speed reading skills for your own benefit, or you know an older child who may benefit from Become a Super Learner, we do encourage you to check out the bonus lectures at the end of the course for information on enrollment. Now with that, let's go ahead and dive into the next section and start learning some of these foundations.